The world of SUVs is vast and diverse, but few names carry the weight and legacy of Jeep and Land Rover. Both brands are synonymous with off-road capability, rugged design, and a sense of adventure that resonates with drivers worldwide. But which one reigns supreme? Let's delve into a comprehensive comparison to unravel the intricacies of these automotive titans. The legacy, Jeep. Born from World War II military vehicles, Jeep embodies American ingenuity and unwavering practicality. Its iconic silhouette, the grille-mounted 7-slot design, and the Wrangler's removable roof and doors have become cultural symbols. Land Rover. A British brand steeped in luxury and sophistication, Land Rover emerged from a vision of creating high-performance off-road vehicles for demanding terrains. Their Range Rover line redefined luxury SUVs with their pioneering all-terrain prowess. Off-road capability. This is where the battle truly heats up. Both brands boast impressive capabilities. Jeep. Renowned for its legendary 4x4 systems, including the Quadra-Track and Select-Terrain technologies, Jeeps offer exceptional articulation, ground clearance, and off-road performance. Wrangler models, especially Rubicons, are designed to tackle even the most challenging trails with ease. Land Rover. Land Rovers utilize advanced terrain response systems that adjust suspension, throttle mapping, and traction control for optimal performance on various terrains, from sand dunes to muddy swamps. Their all-wheel drive system, coupled with their sophisticated electronics, delivers remarkable off-road finesse. On-road driving experience. While both brands excel off the beaten path, they offer distinct on-road experiences. Jeep. Jeeps tend to prioritize practicality and ruggedness over pure luxury. The ride can be firm, especially in off-road focused models, but their handling is generally responsive and predictable. Land Rover. Land Rovers emphasize a smoother, more refined on-road experience. Their suspension systems are tuned for comfort, and their engines deliver ample power and torque. Some models, like the Range Rover Sport, even offer sporty driving dynamics. Interior design and features. Jeep. Jeep interiors prioritize functionality over opulent finishes. While they've made strides in recent years with improved materials and technology, Jeeps retain a rugged aesthetic that reflects their off-road heritage. Land Rover. Land Rovers are renowned for their luxurious cabins. High-quality leather with accents and advanced infotainment systems create an opulent atmosphere. Many models feature massage seats, premium sound systems, and cutting-edge driver assistance technology. Price point. Both brands offer a range of vehicles across various price points, but Jeep, generally more affordable than Land Rover, with entry-level options starting at a lower price point. Land Rover. Positioned as a premium brand, with models often commanding significantly higher prices due to their luxury features and sophisticated technology. The verdict. Ultimately, the best choice between Jeep and Land Rover depends on individual needs and priorities. Choose Jeep if you prioritize off-road prowess above all else, value practicality and ruggedness, and seek a more affordable SUV option. Choose Land Rover if you desire a luxurious driving experience, crave cutting-edge technology and comfort features, and are willing to invest in a premium brand. Both Jeep and Land Rover offer exceptional vehicles that embody their respective legacies. Whichever you choose, prepare for an adventure. Jeep and Land Rover, two iconic brands synonymous with off-road capability and luxury. Both offer a diverse range of SUVs, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. This in-depth comparison examines their off-road performance, on-road dynamics, technological features, and overall ownership experience to help you determine which brand best suits your needs. Off-road prowess. A tale of two approaches. Both Jeep and Land Rover are renowned for their off-road capabilities, but their approaches differ significantly. Jeep, particularly the Wrangler and Gladiator models, embraces a rugged, no-frills approach. Their legendary off-road prowess stems from robust construction. Jeeps are built tough, with solid axles, high ground clearance, and durable body-on-frame construction, making them exceptionally resistant to damage on challenging terrains. Simple, reliable systems. Jeep's off-road systems are generally straightforward and easy to understand, relying on mechanical solutions rather than complex electronics. This simplicity contributes to reliability and ease of maintenance. Excellent articulation. Jeep's solid axles provide exceptional articulation, allowing the wheels to move independently, maximizing traction over uneven surfaces. Land Rover, on the other hand, takes a more sophisticated, technologically advanced approach. Their off-road capabilities are enhanced by advanced all-wheel drive systems. Land Rover employs sophisticated all-wheel drive systems with multiple modes, intelligently distributing power to optimize traction in various conditions. These systems often incorporate advanced technologies like terrain response, which automatically adjusts settings based on the terrain. Air suspension. Many Land Rover models feature air suspension, allowing for adjustable ride height and improved ground clearance. This enhances approach, departure, and breakover angles, improving off-road capabilities. Sophisticated electronic aids. Land Rover vehicles utilize advanced electronic aids like hill descent control, all-terrain progress control, and various traction control systems, assisting the driver in navigating challenging terrains. While both brands excel off-road, Jeep's simpler, more robust approach might be preferred by those who value simplicity and reliability, while Land Rover's technological sophistication appeals to drivers who prioritize comfort and ease of use in demanding conditions. The better off-roader depends on the specific models compared and the type of terrain encountered. A Wrangler Rubicon will likely outperform a Range Rover on extreme rock crawling, while a Land Rover Defender might offer a more refined and technologically advanced experience on varied terrain. On-road dynamics. Luxury versus ruggedness. The on-road experience differs significantly between the two brands. Jeeps, particularly Wranglers, prioritize off-road capability, often resulting in a less refined on-road experience. They can be rougher ride. Their body-on-frame construction and solid axles can lead to a bumpy ride on paved roads, especially at higher speeds. Less precise handling. Steering might feel less precise compared to Land Rover models, and body roll can be more pronounced in corners. Noisier cabin. Wind and road noise can be more noticeable in Jeeps compared to the more refined Land Rover interiors. Land Rover vehicles, however, are designed to provide a more refined and luxurious on-road experience. They generally offer smoother ride. Their unibody construction and advanced suspension systems deliver a more comfortable ride on paved roads. More precise handling. Steering is typically more precise and